we are going to demonstrate our IoT project. The theme is waste management system. Our project is smart dustbin. We are proposing a prototype for an automatic open dustbin that can automatically open the lid when it detects the people who want to throw out their trash. It can also detect the level of trash that is inside the dustbin. The sensors which are integrated in this prototype are ultrasonic sensor, servo motor, and a buzzer. We are trying to build this project using Arduino UNO kit. Ultrasonic sensor functions based on ultrasonic frequency. Servo motor is used to rotate and open the lid by its action. If the ultrasonic sensor detects any object like a hand, for example, Arduino calculates its distance, and if it is less than a certain value which is predefined, like 27 centimeters, which we have predefined, Arduino will calculate the servo motor, and with the support of servo motor, it will open the lid. And after a certain time, the lid is automatically closed. The ultrasonic sensor is placed at dustbin's lid, and servo motor detects. The sensor detects an object, and it will trigger Arduino to open the lid.
Since we cannot simulate the dustbin in Autodesk Tinkercad, I'm going to quickly explain you which sensors and which actuators go where in the dustbin. This ultrasonic sensor is placed in front of the dustbin so that when any person is in front of the dustbin, it calculates the distance to that person, and it uploads that distance value to the Arduino, and then based on that distance, the servo motor gets activated. And next, also there is another ultrasonic sensor which is placed inside on the downside of the lid, and this ultrasonic sensor calculates the level of trash present in the dustbin, and when it reaches to a certain level, the Arduino triggers a buzzer which makes sound so that the trash is need to be cleaned. Now I'm going to show you the code part here. So in the code for the ultrasonic sensor 1, this is the code. If it calculates the distance through the function pulse in, and it converts it into centimeters, and then if the distance is less than 27, it it activates the servo motor, and if it's not less than 27, then the servo motor stays at its original position. And here is the code for ultrasonic sensor 2, and if it also calculates the distance in the same way, and when the distance is less than 10, the buzzer gets activated here, and and it and which means that the trash in the dustbin needs to be emptied. So I'm going to show now the simulation of this uh, smart dustbin. Yes. So this here is the original position of the servo motor, and this blue obstacle we must assume is the person. And now I'm going to move the person closer to the dustbin, like less than 27, and we can see the servo motor has rotated, and which means the lid will be open now, and now the lid automatically closes by itself. And coming to the ultrasonic sensor 2, this sensor keeps the track of the trash level in the dustbin. When it reaches a certain level, in this case less than 10 centimeters, the buzzer will start to ring. Um, when it is empty, the buzzer stops by itself, and that's the simulation.
So the benefits or the uses of this prototype is it is easy to build and install. We can install it in our houses and offices and all. And it will stop overflowing of dustbins. And also we can know the level of bins which is filled. And it can also be used for monitoring our dustbins in our home. So this is our project Smart Dustbin. Thank you.